Hi guys, this is my channel intro. The first project here is gonna be this Caddy. I'm gonna swap an engine in it from a Seat Gudde. It's gonna be a 1.8 turbo. It's gonna be amazing. So follow along if you like this stuff. So here's the original engine. It's like 75 horsepower or something. It's absolutely shite. It has some rust over here. Doesn't matter. I'm going to fix that. It's going to be on a budget. Like, I only have the car and no money for it, so I'm gonna do it. And if I can, you can. So hope you join me in this adventure. This swap is going to be fully street legal, because here in the Netherlands we have, if your car is from 98 or older, you can basically do what you want. You just have to have it checked, and then you get new papers, and your car will be road legal, and I will take you along for the journey. This is the Seat. This is gonna be the engine. It's stock other than this intake, but this stupid thing is gonna go. It's not worth anything. I'm putting the whole front end on the Caddy. Bumpers, fenders, hood, subframe brakes, everything. Dash, everything. So I already took the front end off of this thing. I cleaned the engine. It cleaned up very well. I like it. I'm just gonna put it in. You see the engine code? AQX. It's 156 horsepower. It's gonna be plenty enough for this little Caddy for now. Going to be swapping the dashboard as well. Already did some mods to this Caddy. Put in some Seat Ibiza 6J seats in there. They're really nice. Highline seats. So those are gonna stay. Okay guys, as you can see, the whole front end is off. It needs some work, but it should all fit. There are a few things different, like the bracket over here and here for the battery. Missing a thing over here for stock air filter, but I don't have the stock one, so don't care. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here. Looks like I can cut it here from the caddy and weld this one straight on this bracket, but I might just remove the plug welds and redo it all, so it's not that big of a deal. The rest looks about the same, man. So I think this is a good stopping point on this video. Next time I might pull the engines out, so hope to see you in the next one.